Hey guys, it's Teray Holmes here, the Money Maximizer, and today I am showing you how to use PropStream as well as how to use Open Corporates to skip trace LLCs. So before we begin, please make sure that you like and hit the subscribe button down below and leave me a comment. I love answering your questions. All right, here we go. So when you're looking for properties, sometimes you're going to come across properties that are LLCs. They're businesses, they're owned by businesses. And in order to find out who those owners are, you're going to have to do some research. So once you go to property details, owner information is always here, but you can also find owner information under tax information. And so you take that owner's name, which is the LLC, open up another tab, and you go to opencorporates.com. Then you're going to go, and we know we're in Miami, so we're going to put that in, and we can literally go to Miami, well, Florida. Click there, and the LLC comes up, tells us that it's active, and it tells us that the agent's name is a corporation, it's a corporate service. So what that means is that you're not going to be able to actually find the registered agent for this because there's a corporation that is the registered agent. So let's try another one. And that was good to know. That was a good one to actually have as a first run. So let's take that back and let's try this one. So the LLC is this. I'll take it, put it in here, do a search. And that's in Florida. So it tells us that this one's active. That one was the same thing, but it's inactive. So I'm assuming maybe it went inactive and then they made it active again. So we'll click on the active one. It's active. And again, the agent's name is this business here. So it's not actually a person. So there's not much that you can do with that one either. So let's go to the next one. Because I really want you guys to be able to see this, how you would actually find the registered agent. So registered agent's name is here, First Rain LLC. We'll do a search on that. First Rain LLC, Florida. Okay. And I love this because here is a name. So we have Gabrielle Polak. Okay. And what I love about that is I'm going to take that name, copy it, paste it. I'm going to put it in there. And when you have very unique names like that, it's really easy to find these people. So I would literally start to state of Florida. This person comes up, but I would literally take that person's name and I would start to search them in different databases. Okay. And they are the registered agent for this LLC. So that's basically how you would find this person. Then you can put their name inside of a database. You can go into LinkedIn, you can go into Facebook, and you can find this person because they have a very unique name and they're in Florida. All right, I hope that helped. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and please be sure to share with others and to comment down below if you have any questions about this video. Until next time.